Morning students. Yesterday I have explained exercise 1.3. Hope all of you have done the practice and homework. Today I will explain the last topic of chapter 1, Roman numeral system. The number system which we have been using 1, 2, 3, 4 etc. is Hindu-Arabic numeral system. It is not the only system available. One of the early system of representing the number was Roman numeral system. In that the numbers were represented by combination of letters of Latin alphabet like English alphabet A, B, C, D, etc. It is still used in many places. First, let us discuss where do we see the Roman numbers? In clocks, in watches, on your textbook. Sometimes for writing the points also we are using Roman numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Here in the table, these are the Hindu-Arabic numerals that we are using, and these are the Roman numerals to represent this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. There are certain rules by which we can write any number in Roman numeral system. First, I will show the important Roman numerals. Then, I will explain the rules. Here are some of the important Roman numerals. Once you know these Roman numerals, you will be able to write other numerals using the rule. First, for representing 1, English alphabet capital letter I, for 5 V, for 10 X, for 50 L, for 100 C, for 500 D and 1000 M. Rules of Roman number system. First rule, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Example, for representing 1, capital letter I is using, and for 2, 2 times I is writing. And for writing 3, 3 times I is using. Similarly for 10, 1 time X, for 20, 2 time X, and for 30, 3 times X. So here the same alphabet is repeating. Second rule, a symbol is not repeated more than 3 times. The symbols V, L and D are never repeated. In the previous example, we have seen the alphabet is repeating 3 times, not more than 3. And L, V and D are not repeating. Rule number 3. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. For example, here the value of V is 5 in Roman numeral V representing 5 and I representing 1. And 1 is right of 5. So it will be added. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So for representing 6 in Roman numeral, it will be written like this, VI. Next example, here this X represents 10 and these 2 I represents 2. Therefore, 2 is less than 10, so we can add 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. And in Roman numeral, 12 will be represented as X followed by 2I. Next example, L, X, V. That represents number 50. X represents 10 and V represents 5. So we will take the sum 50 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to 65. So to representing 65 in Roman numeral, it will be written as LXV. So similarly in reverse process also, to find the Roman numeral of 65, we can split the number like this. Because these all numbers are important and already I have represented in the table and showed the important Roman numerals. From that you will get, and you can represent the 65 like this. Rule number 4. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of the greater symbol. Example, in this, all these are greater value and smaller values are written on the left of this. This I, here X, these all are less than these numbers. So, we have to subtract the first number from the second. We know 5 represents 5, here V represents 5 and I represents 1. So, we have to subtract because it is left and less than the second number. So, 5 minus 1, 4. And in Roman numeral, 4 will be written as I and V. Similarly, for 9, in Roman numeral, it will be written as IX. And here, in Roman numeral, 40 will be written as XL. We know in Roman numeral, L is 50 and 10 is X. So, it will be written as 50 minus 10, 40. Similarly, for representing 90 in Roman numeral, it will be written as XC. Rule number 5. The symbols V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. Here, X is greater than V. The value of V is 5 and X is 10. So, 10 is greater than 5 and this is not allowed. It is written V, L and D are never written to the left of a symbol of greater value. If the value is greater, it will not write. And here V is written 2 times. It is not allowed. We have already discussed V, L and D never repeats. It will write only once in any of the Roman numeral. That is, V, L and D are never subtracted. And here it is also wrong. And in Roman numeral, the alphabets are repeating maximum 3 times, not 4 and more. Following these rules, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and the Roman numerals are written below. And for 10, capital letter X, 20 2 times X, 30 3 times X, 40 X and L, 50 L, 60 LX, 70 L and 2 times X, 80 L and 3 times X, 90 XC and 100 C. If you remember this much Roman numeral numbers, you will be able to write Roman numbers for other digits. Example, write in Roman numeral of 69. We know 69 is equal to 60 plus 9 we can write. And from the table we know 60 is equal to LX and 9 is equal to IX in Roman numeral. So together we can write LX, IX. So this is the Roman numeral of 69. Example number 2. Write in Roman numeral of 98. Solution. We can write 98 as 90 plus 8 and we know from the table 90, the Roman numeral is X followed by C, and for 8 we can write V followed by 3I. So together we can write XC, V, I 3 times. So XC, V followed by 3I. This is the Roman numeral of 98. Next, recap of chapter 1. knowing our numbers. Okay, first chapter is completed. In the chapter we have discussed what is number, how to compare number, how to form numbers using given digits, and about larger number, how to put commas in larger number using Indian numeral system and international numeral system. Then we discussed applications of larger number and solved few word problems also. Then estimation, how to round off given numbers to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. And today we discussed about Roman numeral system. Please do practice all the exercise questions and homework. Today's homework, write in Roman numerals A 56, B 82, C 34 and D 77. For more detailed videos and textbook, please log in into the links of Diksha and Extra Maths.